It's that time of the month again where I share all the dividend income that I got in the previous month. And that is going to be for October. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. This channel is all about investing, making money, and achieving financial freedom so that you can live the life that you deserve. The portfolio has passed $25,000, which I think is a great milestone. We are 1/4 of the way to 6 figures. The return so far has been over 58%. Now, let's check out the dividends. The first payment comes from Coca-Cola for $2.56. Now, Coca-Cola isn't the most exciting stock in the world. It's seen stable growth in terms of capital gains, but this is more of a dividend play. Coca-Cola has been increasing their dividends for over 50 years, and it is just a very reliable source of dividend income. The next dividend payout was from Genuine Parts Company, ticker symbol GPC, and this is a stock that I don't really see in a lot of people's portfolios. They distribute automotive parts, and much like Coca-Cola, they have been increasing their dividend for over 50 years as well, putting them into the dividend king status. I've always been very happy with this holding, and this month they paid $5.49. Next up comes Nike. They paid 71 cents. Now, Nike has a pretty low dividend yield, but the trade-off here is that they have been able to grow their share price astronomically over the past few years. It's a brand known all around the world, and I think when people think of shoes, the first brand that comes to their mind is Nike. Vici Properties is our next payout. This is the biggest payout this month at $7.40. Vici Properties is a real estate company, and they own property all along the Las Vegas Strip. Companies like Caesars and MGM pay rent to Vici on a monthly basis. And what I really like about this company is that casinos are very, very unique properties. The tenants are not just going to move out overnight. Not only that, but Las Vegas is a location known by virtually everyone in the world. I think as travel starts to pick back up, we're going to see more people going to Vegas, and those tenants are going to have an easier time paying their rent. Overall, I think the future outlook for Vici is pretty good. DTE Energy out of Detroit paid $1.06. Nothing interesting about utilities, they're just stable growth with pretty good dividend yields. Realty Income Corp is our next payout at $4.07. Stag Industrial is our next dividend payout at $2.25. This is once again a monthly paying real estate company, but their focus is on industrial properties. After that, we get $2.03 from Cisco Corp, not the technology company, but this is the food distribution company. Not much to say about this holding either, it's just a pretty boring company. And the funny thing is, a lot of these dividend companies are boring companies. They're not very exciting. They just grow their revenues year after year and continue to increase dividends year after year. Sure, you may not get the exponential growth like you would in some other companies, but there's less risk involved, and in the long term, they are going to build a lot of wealth for you. Lastly, we got $5.22 from SPHD. This is a monthly paying ETF comprised of 50 high dividend yield companies on the S&P 500 with lower volatility. And with that, that is going to bring our total for the month of October up to $30.79. Let's put it in on our dividend tracking spreadsheet. As the year is coming to an end, I think we are performing very well. Compared to this time last year, we only made $14.78. We have more than doubled that this year. The reason this has doubled over a year is because not only do I contribute each month, but because these companies continuously increase their dividends. And that makes a big difference in the long run, especially when you consider how much money can compound. Looking at the dividends overall, we can see that there's a clear upward trend. I'm going to continue to invest every month, and I'm going to reinvest these dividends back into the portfolio so I can get the snowball effect. That's going to wrap up the video. Thank you so much for taking the time to check it out. If you did enjoy it, please drop a like. And if you want more content like this in the future, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much, and good luck investing.